Morning and welcome back to another video. Today's a vlog. Finished doing my makeup. I need to fix this dirty hair. I keep like holding on to like washing it because I'm waiting for some hair products to come so I can recolor my hair. I'm gonna go back to my old color, which was like a blondie silvery color. I'm hoping that the stuff come today, but we'll see. So I'm just going to tie it up in a bun. Today's so nice and bright. What day is it today? I keep losing my days. Oh, today's Wednesday. And I thought, let me do a little vlog today for you guys. Let's see if we get up to anything exciting. So yeah, my hair's super dirty, so I'm just gonna tie it up in the bun. Usually sometimes I tie it up and then put my headscarves on, but I think I'm just gonna create like a slick bun today. Alexi's awake, but my daughter's still sleeping. Hubby's in the shed doing some stuff. Not in the shed, like in his workshop at the back. So yeah, let's see what we're going to get up to today. So I am nearly done. Just going to straighten these little bits. Try not to burn your face. Something like this, something like that. So, let's get ready to start another day at home. I need to homeschool. I want to try to do some baking today. I'm gonna do some cleaning today. The sun's out, so maybe might go for a walk. I don't know, but whatever we're doing today, I'll be taking you guys along with me. And so yeah, so I need to clean the living room.
Mom, is it right?
It's not so bad. Yes, there's a bottle. He still drinks a bottle at night. I'm too soft. Did you dress yourself?
Yeah.
You look so cool, man. We need to put some coconut oil on your face because your skin's dry. Yeah. Give mama a kiss. You got lipstick on.
What?
You've got lipstick. Let me see your lipstick. Look, you lost 2 teeth. One's growing. How old are you?
5.
Fine.
Right, let me show my number 2.
That one's starting to wobble now, isn't it? More money from the tooth fairy. Oh my gosh.
Because do the right. Because when I do this, very close to my thing and to my number 1, that's why it cracks and it moves.
Does it? You can feel it?
Yeah, a little bit.
That's why, leave it.
Is it this one?
Yeah, I don't know. No, the other one. The other one.
This one.
No, that one.
Hello.
Nini's still sleeping, isn't she?
Yeah. Well,
She's a
is
sleepyhead.
it this one?
Yeah.
Actually?
I don't know. And then the kitchen. I need to clean the kitchen. This is what the kids did yesterday. How cute.
Just break up your life.
We did some tile magnets. And I need to open the blinds.
Yeah.
Wow, it's almost 1:45. Need to clean the utility, which is a bomb. But we'll try and do fun stuff today, yes?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah, we're gonna
Yes? I don't know, we'll see, yeah?
paint
yeah, or we'll do other stuff. So guys, I'm going to show you how I'm going to wash my beauty blenders. Clean sock, beauty blenders, and I'm going to put them in here. Push them right down. Next one, the other one. And then with a hair tie, we're going to seal the top of this sock. And then I'm going to chuck it in my washing machine. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like after. Let's hope they are way cleaner than what they were.
Can and guys, guess what? When I was washing,
Andrea's talking. Why are you talking over her?
and guys, now let me say something now. So when I was washing my thing at the beginning, it does turn green.
Yeah.
And it looks so cool. So guys, I'm gonna be making angel wings, and then the background's gonna be all blue.
That is so cool.
I'll prefer like a canvas. Oh, I'm gonna make angels.
Yeah.
And this is the angels. So guys, if you don't have a canvas, it's fine. Just use cardboard paper because it's the same thing.
Yeah.
Mom, this is the easier.
Like thicker paper.
Yeah, cardboard paper. So right now, I've done one wing. So now then I'm gonna do the second one now. So now I'm gonna make a birdie.
So let's see if this trick worked.
What trick?
I put my beauty blenders in my sock and in the washing machine.
Huh?
Let's see if they've cleaned up. Oh my god, they have. Not super. Look, babe. Most of the makeup's gone.
Let me see.
In the washing machine. And it smells good too.
You put it in your sock.
Yeah. Oh, the black one's super clean and soft. Don't touch it with your dirty hands. You got paint on your hands.
Oh, sorry, I just put... Yeah, black doesn't
Let's see
really
this
matter.
one. Oh, this one's cleaned, but it's still like... Yeah, but there's no makeup on it, like...
Yeah, like the last...
Much cleaner.
Hi.
Hey! We did loads of TikToks, didn't we?
Yeah, and if you see them...
Follow us
Yes.
on TikTok and Instagram, which will be down below.
I'm sorry guys if you can see this.
So guys, I am here prepping dough. We're going to make the Jewish challah bread. Jews do it, also Greeks do that sort of bread, and I found out Polish people also do that kind of bread. We're going to make one with chocolate chip and banana, and the other one just chocolate chip. One mixture is already done, so we need to let it raise now. And then I'm here preparing the other, and now I'm going to mash my bananas, super ripened bananas. We're going to mash them up, and then we're going to add it into the flour and then mix it all up.
Do you have orange juice still?
Yeah. So the bananas in the flour, then I'm going to add the eggs with the honey and salt, and then the yeast. I'm going to mix it all up, then we're going to let them raise. And then I'll get back to you guys when we're ready to actually make it. So let's break up the chocolate. We put them in pieces like that.
So guys, we're gonna what's it called again? our sweet bread.
Sweet bread.
So I got banana. Alexia has a plain one, but he's gonna have chocolate. So
Hopefully
I got
it's
banana.
not too soft.
And then you're all gonna have stuff. Plaid banana.
Shush.
So that's. Should I put mine out?
1 minute.
Why is it so sticky?
It's a bit sticky today. Just put it. Move.
Can I mix it? It's melty. Can I mix it now, Mom?
Wait.
Okay, can you tie my hair?
I need to get more flour.
Oops, just with my
Wait.
hand.
Hold on.
I'm mixing now.
Knead it.
Okay.
Yeah, mix it. So it's not so
My
sticky.
hair. Because I just squished it. So guys, mine's getting along well. Finally. Getting really well, not that sticky.
I have to pinch them together. We added the chocolate in this one.
Yep. Mine needs a little bit more mixing, alright, Mum? But I'm doing well. Mommy, this part.
We're going to add these together. And let's see.
I'm doing mine myself because
And then we have to
they look like
stretch it out.
fluffy. I was doing this in nursery. I was in nursery.
We're going to cross it over like a flat. Put it together. 1 minute. See that? Wait, no, not like that.
It's my nose. Imagine my nail eating this.
Wow, Papa. Papa banana.
Guys,
It's in the mixture, the banana.
I'm
Right,
making a
so we need to
mistake.
slowly pour
Always
in
tie your
here.
hair up before you do something messy like this because now
It's sticky.
Oh,
Last time I didn't make it so sticky, but it's okay.
yeah, mine was like really runny.
Mom, this piece.
What do you mean?
I said not ready.
Mine.
Say anything. Wash your hands.
So right now I'm rolling mine. Okay, it's about I'm rolling mine up right now.
Right now,
And then I'm gonna be stretching.
tissue.
Then
If you need to clean them off
flatten it up.
this.
Flatten it up. That's what I'm doing. Flatten it up. Just like so. Like this. Alright. Then next piece, I'm gonna be rolling. Rolling. And the sun's me. So I'm rolling. Flatten it. Flatten it up. Then pinning it. Pin it up.
Good girl. Done it by yourself.
Yeah, I didn't even use a knife. I cut it up with my hands. And alright, guys, I showed them how to flatten it up and stuff.
Well done. Now you know how to do it, yeah?
Yep.
My clever girl.
Because I've done it.
You can put loads because your one's quite big. We had a big mixture for you.
Okay.
I'll
And
help you on this side. We can just add in like
it's just back in
that. So Nini's one is banana and chocolate chip.
Yep.
We do it on the sides.
Right. I forgot. guys, I'm pinching. I showed them what to do on the last part, like.
Shut the door, Alexi.
And I know how to play.
Yeah, so you're going to show us how to do it.
So, right now, I'm pinching the chocolate inside.
While you go out and dust yourself. I think that can fit in here as well.
No, I want it in my tray.
No, but then it's not going to cook like the same thing.
Okay.
And put it on this corner here, maybe.
So right now, I'm pinching all of the layers. You can see chocolate, just pinch them all up. Right now is the hot part.
We're going to connect them on the top.
Hello.
Okay, go on.
I've done this in school. So right now I'm connecting them all up and we're going to be making eggplants. So first take one piece, twist, another piece. Oh my god, this is
sticky.
Twist.
Wait, 1 minute, let's kind of tighten it. You're doing it right, but let's just make it a tighter flat.
So it's not, Alex, this is kind of.
And if it's coming out, just re-pinch it.
Yeah. Okay, then I'm twisting and pinch.
Connect, that's it.
So right now we've got our...
So we're going to put it in this one. So that's Alexis, which is just chocolate chip, and this is Nini's, which is chocolate chip and banana.
That's mine.
You excited?
Yeah, I never...
Look at her clothes. Yeah. Go outside and dust yourself.
I accidentally squeezed the dough.
I'm in the floor because I'm gonna
No, yeah, go on.
because I'm gonna wash my bike up in the floor.
Outside?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so
Go and dust yourself now.
Alright, man.
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 Oh my goodness. So let's put that in the oven for 25 minutes on 180, 160. Forgot to mention, we need to gloss them with some egg.
So I'm actually doing it.
Where is mine?
Glosser?
What's the glosser?
I think you didn't look properly, madam. What are you doing? Just.
Where is it?
I don't know.
That's right. Let's use this green one, and not the red one. It's okay. So do you want to gloss it?
Yes, so guys.
Do you know how to do it?
Yes, so you take a little bit and just. Whoop,
That's it.
and if it's not enough, you think it's okay if you add a lot. It's fine, because if you add lots, it will be really glossy. So just do that. And if it's still dry on the edges, just go ahead and put more. So gloss it all up.
Yep. And then we'll see what it looks like after, yeah?
Yeah.
Preparing the mixture for BIFTEKIA. If you're not Greek, then BIFTEKIA are flat meatballs, and we cook them in red salsa sauce, and then you can serve it with pasta or rice. So yeah, gonna mix it. Oh, it smells so good already. By the way, guys, the bread, sweet bread, is ready. Look at that. That's banana and chocolate chip, and that's just chocolate chip. Cannot wait to try it. Hopefully it's cooked and it's nice inside. But yeah, now let's prepare dinner because we need to eat. So in here is obviously pork, mincemeat, grated cheddar cheese, finely chopped onions, parsley, dried mint, mixed spice, cinnamon. We grated some garlic, and we grated a cube of chicken stock. What else? Salt and pepper. I almost forgot salt and pepper. So we're gonna add our salt and pepper. And then we're going to mix it all up with our fingers. I removed my rings because you don't want your rings getting all nasty and yucky. I had them off already from when I did the dough, so we're just going to do that now. Just get them there. Oh, and you have to add 1 egg and breadcrumbs. I will have all the recipes down below. All the recipes down below for dinner and the sweetbread. So if you guys wanted to do it, you can do so. Going to take a plate and now we're going to pat them and shape them. So first you create like a ball, a meatball. And then we're going to pat it. Like that. So you want to prep that first, and then we're going to fry them on each side, and then we're going to prepare the sauce to put them in. So the biftekia are, tissue on my finger, ready to be fried. So just waiting for the oil to heat up, and then we're going to fry them. Now preparing the sauce, the salsa. Let's take it up there. So once this is all done and you serve it with either your pasta or your rice, on the side you can add some yogurt, Greek yogurt, and then you grate some halloumi cheese, and that is it. I will show you when it's dished out onto our plates, but yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, mommy? Okay, ready? Go.
This TikTok.
Let me show Daddy. Alright?
Let me get an impression of Alexi.
No, wait.
This is Alexi.
Daddy,
I finished eating my food. I haven't touched it.
That's Alexi. Wait. Wait, this is Alexi. 1 minute. I'm getting finished. Alexi does this.
Oh!
Have that one bit.
Alright.
Have that one. You're gonna drop it.
So guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Yes, I've taken my hair up because I am getting ready to go and have a shower. Gave the kids their bath in the PJs, chilling, and then I'm out of breath because I had to walk 2 flights of stairs into my room. So yeah, so when I'm done with my shower, I'm gonna get them ready for bed. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you in a next video. Bye.